Welcome back to another lecture of teachers education subject, which is we discuss about pre-service training and teachers training at elementary level. Now in this lecture we discuss role of DCTs and maybe role of rights in this lecture. Otherwise we will discuss role of rights in next lecture. So without any further delay, we are just going to start our today's lecture, which is role of DCTs for training at elementary level in Pakistan. टीचर ट्रेनिंग में एलिमेंट्री लेवल पे जो DCTE है, DCTE क्या है मैं पहले आपको समझा दूँ। ये है डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ करिकुलम एंड टीचर एजुकेशन। ये वो एरिया है जहाँ पे आपका करिकुलम बनता है। ये वो डायरेक्टरेट के ऑफिसेज हैं जिधर करिकुलम और टीचर एजुकेशन का जो है ना वो मटेरियल तैयार होता है, उसका सिलेबस तैयार होता है। So we discuss in this lecture what is the role of DCTs in teacher training programs in Pakistan, especially at elementary level. In Pakistan, the Directorate of Curriculum and Teacher Education play a significant role in teacher training and development of educational materials and curriculum. DCTs is responsible for several key functions related to teacher education and curriculum development in the country. Number one is curriculum development. DCTE is involved in the development and revision of curriculum, frameworks and educational materials for various levels of education, including primary, secondary and higher education. They work to ensure that the curriculum align with national education goals and standards. Then teacher training programs. DCTE is responsible for designing, developing and implementing teacher training program courses. They work on creating curriculum material for pre-service teacher education programs like B.Ed, M.Ed, and also which is discussed is diploma in education and ADE, as well as in-service teacher programs. Now what DCTE do for pedagogical support? DCTE provide pedagogical support to teachers and teacher educators. They develop teaching guides, manuals and resource materials to assist educators in delivering effective instructions. These include guidance on using innovative teaching methodologies and technologies. Now research and evaluation. DCTE conducts research and evaluations activities to assess the effectiveness of teacher training programs and curriculum materials. This research helps in identifying areas for improvement, enhancing the quality of teacher education in Pakistan. Professional development. DCTE is involved in organizing workshops, seminars and professional development opportunities for teachers and teachers educators. These events aim to keep educators updated on the latest teaching methods, curriculum changes and educational standards. Standardization. DCTE works towards standardized teacher education program and ensuring that they meet specific quality benchmark. This helps maintain consistency in teacher training across different regions institutions in Pakistan. Then collaboration. DCTE often collaborates with provincial and regional education departments and institutions to implement teacher training programs and curriculum changes. This collaboration helps in ensuring that teacher education policies are effectively implemented at grassroots level. Then policy development. DCTE contributes to the development of policies and related to teacher education and curriculum. They provide valuable insight and recommendations to policymakers to improve the quality of education in Pakistan. Then assessment and certification. DCTE may be involved in the assessment and certification of teachers. They may develop teacher certification exam and standards to ensure that educators meet the required qualification and competencies. Then active advisory role. DCTE serves as an advisory body to the government and education authorities on matters related to teacher education, curriculum development and educational reforms. It is important to note that the exact functions and responsibilities of DCTE may vary by region and province in Pakistan, as education is a developed subject and each province or regional education authority may have its own directorate of curriculum and teacher education with specific mandate and programs tailored to the need of this area.